Welcome to the You Do It channel, everybody. Today we're going to be installing a whole home water filter in a crawl space. These systems are especially important if you have a well and want to protect your appliances. Personally, I just remodeled our bathroom, so I wanted to keep the scale from building up on the brand new toilet and sink. I will be releasing a video later on how to refinish your bathtub to save some money on replacing, so make sure you're subscribed to the channel for that. Without further ado, let's get into it. So first we start off with turning off the water, then go to a sink to bleed off the pressure. Now I want to show you the fittings layout. We will be teeing off the water line after the pressure tank and adding a bypass valve. What is the purpose of a bypass valve? Well, after several months of use, the filters get clogged and restrict water pressure, so the valve allows the use of the water line if a new filter is not readily available. You're also going to be replacing the check valve as well. So you can see the water comes in here and goes into the pressure tank manifold and comes out here. If you are confused on which water line is the incoming and which is the outgoing, there will be an arrow on the existing check valve. The arrow will point towards the direction of the water. You want to install the filter system after the pressure tank. Now we begin. So it turns out the brass fitting out of the check valve was actually corroded, so it would have been a problem in the future. Good thing I bought another. This goes for any project. If you are adding or replacing anything, be sure to purchase components in the general vicinity of your work, just in case they are on the ropes. You can always take it back. Also, a few more tips while I get this done. Make sure you have plenty of lighting and wear a head covering when working in a crawl space. You will see me hit my head multiple times. Be sure to bring everything you can with you. I made way too many trips in and out, which cost me at least an extra half hour. Overall, this project cost me around $300, including the crimping tool, and took me about 2 hours. So you can see here, the crimping tool actually comes with a gauge to let you know if the fitting is going to hold up or not. There's a go and no-go side. I would highly recommend checking every single fitting that you put on to make sure they pass with the gauge. This would also be a good time to check your pressure tank and pressure switch to make sure they are cycling properly. Pressure switches have a cut in and cut out point. Mine is a 40-60. So at 40 psi, the pump cuts in, and at 60 psi, the pump cuts out. This helps maintain stable water pressure and also protects the pump. Alright, I'm going to shut up for a little bit, let you guys watch the rest of the video. I will see you at the end for the final product. Alright, so there we have it, guys. We have our filter installed with the bypass valve below it with enough space to change the filter. Make sure you leave the included filter wrench somewhere near the system so you don't lose it. If you guys have learned something from this video, please do hit that like button, and to find your way back, hit that subscribe button. Alright, we'll see you in the next one.